Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to open summary sheet in Excel. Why would you want to know how to open summary sheet in Excel? Well, maybe you want to know the info about your current sheet and all your worksheet. So today I am going to show you how to open summary sheet in Excel. Okay, here's our table. From here you can right click and press on workbook. Okay, now it's up here. Let's click on it. This is the summary sheet. You can find your current sheet and your all workbook. All the information you want will be here. Also, you can find another thing. Let's mark some cells. You can find the average and count and sum of the cells. That easy, guys. There you go. If you want to know how to open summary sheet in Excel, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.